Good morning students. Here is Shilpa Sirasya. In this video, we learn about the conversion from Millet machine to Moret machine. Okay, in previous video, you learned how to convert the Moret machine to Millet machine. Today we learn Millet to Moret. Okay. For this, we have an input in the form of transition diagram. When we convert Millet machine to Moret machine, the input is in the form of transition diagram. Now see, for conversion from Millet to Moret, we have to find a state with incoming age have a different output. Suppose this one is a state. There are incoming age with different output. Input is any, but if output is different, A, B, then we divide the state in number of output state. Here is a two different output, so we divide this P to PA and PB. PA for output A, PB for output B. Okay. And suppose we find any state with incoming age have a same output. Here we see that two incoming age and the output is same. So there is no division required. Now we start with our example. So initially for the X. Okay. Now find the incoming age. There is no any incoming age. So we just ignore all the concept. Come to next for the Y. So we find the incoming age 1, 2 and 3. With the output, here it is 1 and 2. So there are two different output 1 and 2. So we have to divide this Y with Y1 with output 1, Y2 with output 2. Come to Z. We find Z incoming age 1, this one and this one. 3 incoming age with the output. Here it is 1 and 2. So two different output 1 and 2. So again Z is divided with the Z1 with output 1, Z2 with output 2. Okay, and then we perform all the transactions. So X, Y1 with output 1, Y2 with output 2. Same way Z1 with output 1, Z2 with output 2. So now check. We give the input A. So X to Y. If input is A, we go to X to Y with output 1. So from X, if we give the input A, the output is 1 and we go to the Y. So we have to go to X to Y. But which one? With the output 1. So output 1, this one. So X to A to Y with output 1. Same way for this. X to B, we go to Z with the output 1. So X to B, Z with output 1. Which one? This one. So X to B to Z with output 1. Come to Y. Okay. Now Y, whatever the operation transition with the Y, that same with the Y1 and Y2. But we have to consider the output 1 or 2. So see, Y of A is a Y with the output 2. So Y of A with Y. So that means both Y. But output 2, so this one. So Y of A is Y with output 2. So again Y of A is Y with output 2. Y of B is Z with output 1. Y of B is Z with output 1. So Z with output 1, this one. So Y of B is Z with output 1. Same way, Y of B is Z with output 1. Now come to Z. Z of A to Y with output 1. So Z of A, Y with output 1, this one. So A with output 1. Same way for this. A with output 1. And Z of B is Z itself with output 2. So Z with output 2, this one. So Z of B is Z with output 2. Z of B is Z with output 2. Okay. Now there is some case where there is no any incoming edge, and that is happen only with the initial state. So whatever the default output, that you represent this one with the initial state. As in the initial state there is no any incoming edge, so we don't have to perform any of this. But in the Moore machine we have to represent the state with output. So X with the output. So default is as it shows, but continuous A, then we get 2. Continuous B, then we get output 2. Otherwise 1. So default nothing means 1. So we represent 1. And it happens very few that there is no any incoming edge, and it is always for the initial state. Thank you.